firework. Go and let your colors burn. Make 'em go. Ah, ah, ah. As you shoot across the sky. Ah, ah. Baby, you're a fire.
Guys, and welcome back to Pretty Hippo. And yes, I changed the background. Don't you love it? Also, I sound really bad because I'm sick. Again. Yes, again. And you know what we do when we're sick? We do crazy things. Like, make myself look like a jack-o'-lantern. And other weird things. I gotta go blow my nose. Cut that out. And all of this stuff was from the sticker making video. If you haven't seen it, then you should go watch it after this one though, because this one is about to begin. So get your popcorn, and we're about to dive right into this video. So basically, I'm doing firework makeup because it's about to be the new year. It's about to be 2026, and if this gets out the day that I want it to, it should be the day right before 2026, and I am I am going crazy at the moment because I'm not very happy. If you can't tell, obviously you can't because I'm acting all happy. It's just because I did a first attempt of doing firework makeup, and it did not go well. But I'm trying to keep my energy up for you guys, trying to spread the love, feel the happiness, all of that. Do you like my hair, by the way? Only took me like an hour to do. Don't tell me why pigtails took me so long. But I keep saying that. I meant, don't ask me why. Okay, first things first, we're gonna put some, base on. Like, concealer, foundation. I'm thinking just concealer because the foundation does not match, any of me, so let's just actually do something that matches me. Base we can do. So we're gonna use this palette right here. It's very pigmented though. I don't know if I want something like that, but we'll figure it out. So the first time I did it, it looked really bad. This time, find out. We have this brush, which is a bunch of new ones. It's from a bunch of new ones that I got for Christmas. Looky! Got water in it. You can move the glitter around. I love it. Just gonna right on apply it. I'm thinking it's gonna be a little bit of blush, a little bit of freckles and stuff. I'm actually gonna use a bigger brush, I think, because it's a bit too small. I was using this one, kind of black, because of the shadow that I used, the eyeshadow, but it should work. I need to clean it. Get some blue, get this blue. This, beautiful, lovely. It's coming up better on here than it is in real life, which is weird. Hold up, nothing is coming off. What? Okay, there we go. That was weird. First swipe worked, but then the rest of it didn't. I'm gonna try some shimmeries. Shimmery shine. Try it on my nose. Okay, yeah, nothing's really coming off, and it's messing with my brain. This brush sucks. It honestly doesn't work. I need to get a different one. I'll use this one that looks like a paintbrush. Why not? It's also a new one. Lather it on, and move tonight. Basically, I want to be blue dabba. What was that? Dubba dee dubba die. I want to be blue dubba dee dubba die. Blue. You know? You don't get that? You're too young. Blue dubba dee dubba die. Daboo dee daboo die. Daboo dee daboo die. Daboo dee daboo die. Blue. Also, the song at the beginning was a little hint into the video. Did you like it? I hope you did. Because I sung Firework by I almost said Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh, no, Katy Perry. I love Katy Perry. Because she's the best. You're a firework. Some of her songs aren't for children, though. But that's fine. I just won't listen to those. You're so hypnotizing. Now, we're gonna sing the one that makes sense, though. Baby, you're a purple. And then it'll be like blending into purple. I think that would be cute, right? Can you see it? You better. You better be able to. All of these look better in person because I have a really crappy camera. But Jack Frost roasting on an open fire. There we go. Cute. I like it. I like it a lot. That's right. They like it. It's simple as that. Sorry, been listening to too much Cat's Eye. They keep coming back. Oh, we and flexing, but we do what we do. Okay. Moving on. Now I think we should get, like, the eyeballs. The eyeballs. I'm thinking for that. Use this brush and, like, hit a little bit of purple on the lid here. But, like, add some blue in the corners. That's my plan. Can't even tell that that's, like, purple, though. Which is fine. It's very light, you know? Purple, like, panic. I can't talk. Blue on the sides. Maybe, like, some light. Oh yeah, that looks nice. I like it better with the lighter blue. This side is just poo-pooed, so whatever. Add a little bit more light blue to the lid. Here and here. A little bit down her and down. All up in that corner, right there. And then, kind of smear it with your finger. Gotta get the pinky. So small. Gonna go right there in that corner. Okay. I'm just joking, I got black liner on my black shirt. What am I gonna do? Alright, do the same thing with the other eye, because it makes your eyelashes look, like, thicker and stuff. I like it. Ow! I keep poking my eye! This is, like, a really crappy liner, though. It's from the dollar store. My eye is watering. doesn't like what I'm doing to it. You can just cut this part out where I'm just being weird. Could try and move you guys like over here. But then the window's in the way. You're getting a real close-up look at my life. This is it right now. It's a mess, but that's okay because I'm a mess and I'm sick. So I feel like I have an excuse to be a hot mess at the moment because I'm sick. I'm sick of people. Oh, got him! I'm gonna have to move everything, but gotta do what you gotta do. Take the light. Can I put you like right there? Would you fit? Would you fit? Oh my gosh. Stand! Hang on. Now the setup is looking really bad. You can see my Christmas tree. I made it myself. Whatever. Right now everything is a mess. You don't want to see the setup that I have at the moment. So I'm going to have to lean a lot for you guys to like be able to see me, right? That work? Whatever. The setup is really bad. Everything is going to poo-poo in this video. Whatever. And now, I wish I had my mirror closer to me! I'm gonna crash out. Ugh. How do I fix this? How do I fix this? Whatever. We're just gonna move on. I wanted family to be in the video with me, but they all said no, so me by myself, looking like a crazy person, crashing out. Just hang out with me. Please. Please. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Okay. Me looking all sensitive and stuff on the channel. I'm very sensitive. Well, we're gonna learn a lot about each other during this time of just tedious lining. So what do you guys like doing? I like crafting. Like, that's my favorite hobby. I just love doing crafts. It's so much fun. Oh, that's Kitty. I don't care. If you can't tell, I'm like a teenager, so I'm still a kid. Don't say mean things. Um, right now this isn't looking. I do like a lot of crafts every day. If you can't tell, how would I be able to tell? I make so many dragons, so many paper dragons. You've seen my video about them, right? I made all of those in like 3 months. Okay? I haven't made one in like 3 months. Is it out? Nothing is coming out. Hang on. Hello? McFly. No, there's like nothing left. Nothing is coming out. So we're gonna have to work with what we have at the moment. I don't want to work with what I have. I have nothing. What did you learn from this experience? Nothing. Y'all don't get that? Go watch Dancing with the Stars. Okay. We look really bad. Everything is going wrong at the moment, so let's just get this over with. Um, now we're just gonna do the fireworks with the colors. Do some red. Hello, I said let's do some red. Here we go. Beautiful. Not looking good. All the lighting is everything is wrong right now. Everything has gone wrong. I'm about to have a panic attack. But that's okay. Doing it for you guys. So basically I'm going like in between the white so it looks good. Oh, the orange is looking nice. I think this is orange. Because it's all so pigmented and it all looks like red. Like the orange is red, the pink is red, the purple is red. It's all red. That's cute though, right? That's cute. Black. See if maybe that will fix it. Doesn't look that. You know, just fill in the white with the black. Because we can't get any more white. That's actually kind of cute. Wait, why is that actually kind of cute? Wait, no, why am I not gonna crash out anymore? It's working! It's working! My stupid plan is working. Eek. Wait. Why does that actually look kinda cute? Bang bang! La 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 la. Okay. Wait, I love this. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. No. Don't let the weirdness come out. Don't let the people judge you. Ooh, that one looks bad, but it's not bad. And the thing that will bring it all together, the Ooh Girl Band-Aid. Or the E-Girl. Sorry, not Ooh Girl. E-Girl, like a little Band-Aid on the nose. Now we're gonna go. Yes, there's more. We're gonna do the lips. Just go in with purple. I don't care at this point. Dude. It came together, and I'm not hating it. I actually really like this. Everything came together at the end. And I'm acting like this is over, but it's not. It never is. And the background looks horrible now because my camera almost died. And I got eyeshadow all over my bed sheets. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, whatever. Don't freak out, calm down. Now we're gonna do some mascara. And yes, I have to open my mouth. Doink, doink, little doink. Looks cute! Oh my god. Doink. Doink. Ah! I gotta stop stabbing myself in the eye. Doink. Oh my gosh! It came together and it looks cute. Yeah! The lips, not a vibe though. We're gonna take those off. What to put instead? I have so many lipsticks. What to wear instead? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe like something sparkly. Where's my sparkle? Oh, it's in my purse. That's fine. I'll just use this one. And like this on the top. And we're done. And now we're done. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Like, I think it looks adorable. It's gonna be like a 30-minute video that I'm gonna send my editor, but sorry. It's cute, it came together, and Happy New Year's, guys. See y'all in 2026. Have a nice day. Bye!